For attending this webinar. Today I will show you everything about Loan Factory. You will get to see our website, our technology. You will get to see how I do business, how I get so many clients, and I will also show you how you move a loan from A to Z. You will see that process, and you can also see all the benefits that we offer to our loan officers. Along the way, there will be a lot of information that I share with you. And if you see anything that I'm talking about and you still have questions, please raise your hand. But try to ask me right away. Try to ask me relevant questions that about a topic that I just talked about. If the topic is not related, please wait to the end. Okay? Because there will be a lot that I will be sharing with you. And I want to make sure that we have time. Okay? So I'm going to share with you my screen. And we can go from there. Okay? Thank you, everyone. I'm going to share with you my screen. If you have your camera, please turn it on, as that will allow us to see each other. Here's our website. It is very basic. You see my screen, right? Yes, yes. It's very basic, but it does the work. You can see that in mortgage, the most important thing is trust, right? If the client trusts us, they will want to do business with us. So the goal is to let the client understand, know us, and trust us, so that they can feel comfortable working with us. And you can see that on the left side here, we saw $1,000 best price guarantee. So this is a program. This is a loan program, challenging our client, the consumer out there, to shop around. If they have any offer, any loan estimate, they can submit it. We have terms and conditions here for the consumer to participate. So basically, there's 3 steps. The first step, they give us the loan estimate. They can fill out the info and upload the loan estimate. The second step, we tell them if we can beat that or not. If we cannot beat it, they can proceed to close that deal and send us the final CD to verify. After that, we will send them $1,000. So this program is very simple. We challenge our client to shop around so that they can get better deal. And we want them to give us an opportunity to beat that offer. That's all. And when you join Loan Factory, you can promote this program. When the borrower uploads the loan estimate, you will be notified so that you can reach out to the borrower and talk to them. So far, we launched this program for 2 years already, and we haven't lost any money. So it's a great program. It helps you and Loan Factory. It helps the consumer so that they can shop around and get better deal. In case that we lose money, the company will pay. You don't have to pay. So in case that there's a good loan estimate coming in that you cannot beat, the company will pay. So that's how we help you, so that you can go out there and get more clients. Right now, most loan officers understand that it's important to do marketing, to be active on social media. But most loan officers don't know what to say, don't know how to impress the client. And if you promote this program, surely the client will be impressed that you have the best rate, that they should try to work with you. So this is one of the things that we help our loan officer. We help consumer as well. Okay, and then on the right side, you can see that we have a pricing engine. Really simple. We are the only company that offer consumer direct pricing engine for the consumer to check out the rate themselves. They can fill out a very simple form like this, and they can see the rate. What is better is our technology. Build all our technology in-house. We build all of this, and it is better than other technology out there, like Loan Shifter, like Lenderprice, like Lending Pad, like 𝐅𝐅𝐈𝐂𝐃. Our system is better because you can see that besides giving the client the ability to check the rate, we help them to see if they qualify for the affordable home ownership programs. Like here, if they say their income is $230,000, they still qualify for AMI rate discount. Or let's say their income is 80% of AMI, they can qualify for home ready, home possible. So this is a rate system that help you find out the rate for the client. The client can see it themselves too. And let me share with you one rate example. So let's pretend that the client credit score is low at 630, right? And pretend that their income is very high. So this is what you would quote your client right now, 6.5%. With a little bit of points, right? But if we use our loan factory pricing engine, and they say their income is $230,000, they qualify for the rate discount here. And here it is. The rate comes down to 5.5, 1% lower in rate. So you think about this. This client, if you quote them 6.5, we quote them 5.5. Who do you think will win this deal? Right? So this is just one example to show you how technology can help us, help our clients. We give them better pricing because we know this program. Hello, hi Tom.
Hi, Tuan. Question, I'm in Illinois. Does that AMI discount apply for Illinois, or is it only in California? Because I was messing around with the pricing engine. I didn't see that option for Illinois.
What is this? It applies everywhere in the country. What is the zip code for Illinois? Can you tell me one zip code?
I was just looking at I might not have all the tools. I was looking at the Loan Factory's website, and it was just giving me home ready as an option.
Yeah, give me the zip code where you live in Illinois.
Okay. I'll mess around with it a little bit more. Thank you.
Can't hear anything.
Yep.
Still
I
here.
see him also.
He's frozen.
Okay.
Must have been that last question.
It's all my fault. Sorry about that, guys.
I'm assuming he's logging off to log back in. Mhm.
Are we gonna see 3% again?
That would be nice.
So if it's 3%, a lot of people gonna refinance. And I read the contract here. It says like we need to compensate the company, not only pay back our own the commission we got, but also we need to compensate the company. That's why I need to ask him. So we're gonna, if that happens, I'm gonna become bankruptcy.
Hello? I'm good now? Yeah,
Yes.
cool. Yep. So sorry about that. For some reason, um, thing doesn't work. But anyway, let me the website, right? So here is the price mentioned. I'm sorry. Okay now? Okay.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So let me show you the screen again. So here's the AMI thing. It will help you detect if the borrower qualify or not, for the AMI or not.
Can you
And
plug in I'm sorry, Twine, can you plug in a zip code of 60632 just by curiosity?
and here's in Cook County. And you can refresh the rate and it will show the AMI for that area. So 100% AMI is $94,080. If you select 80% of that, the borrower will qualify for these too. If you select 100% AMI, qualify for rated, the LOPA waiver. And you can see the pricing right here, 5.5%. What is even better is the consumer. They see that we shop around for them, that we have 33 lender offer 5.5. And the best lender is CMG. And they would love to have this rate. They would not work with any lender down here when they have to pay $2,000 or more just to get the same rate. So the consumer, when they see this, they trust us 100%. They love to work with us. And right now, most loan officers out there, do not use this pricing engine. Most loan officers are lazy. I'm sorry to use that word. And stick to only 1 or 2 or 3 lenders they love to work with. They shop around. At Loan Factory, we shop around crazy. We don't care who you are. We work with the best. We submit your loan to the best 3 lenders. So that's how we have a super low rate. We are not afraid of working harder to help our clients. And remember, if you pick a bad lender that have higher rate, not only client will suffer, but you will suffer as well, because you have to reduce your compensation to help the borrower. So it is so important to shop around every single loan. Yeah, I see someone raise your hand. Feel free to raise your hand and ask me a question.
Yes. Hi, good morning. Juan. This is Francisco. My question is in regards to that example that you're just using right now with the CMG, that 5.5%. My question is in regards to the compensation to the loan officer. What is the compensation?
Yes. So the compensation is right here, 1%. So if you offer the client 5.5%, this rate, this deal, you get 1% compensation.
Got it. Okay, so that's where you put the compensation plan. Whatever points you want to charge, and then it gives you that. Okay, I see.
Yes.
And in this case, does the client needs to pay something from their own pocket, or is it, for example, if it's a streamline refinance, would he have to pay? Would have to show any other fees here that I need to let the client know that he's going to be paying, like escrow title?
This is a purchase, and we only quote them points or credit, right? So they get 5.5 with this many credit. They still have to pay closing costs. And then you can click on view fee here. You show them the fee.
Oh, okay.
For refinance, let's say you select refinance, right?
Okay.
Let's see, right? You change it to refinance, rate and term. You can refresh the rate, and we will show them the rate and the closing costs total. So they can get 6% with no point, no cost.
Okay.
And when you click on CMG Financial, you can see the breakdown. We estimate closing costs to be $1,200, and that will be covered as well. We show all the breakdown down here, the total adjustment, the base price, and all that.
Got it. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, and you can play around with this. It's available on our website, loanfactory.com. I recommend all of you to play around and compare to your rate. Imagine we are in a competitive situation when the client shop around between you and Loan Factory. I want you to compare and at least match our pricing, not worse. Because if your pricing is worse than Loan Factory, you cannot grow your business because you cannot compete. So it's so critical that you can compete. Nowadays, the consumer are shopping around crazy, and the loan officers out there are hungry. So I recommend you all to stay competitive and try to offer your client the best deal. Yeah. I see someone raise the hand. Tom, hello, hi Tom.
Yeah, Twan. Are there some lenders that are difficult to work with?
Yeah, of course. Some lenders are easy, some lenders are difficult to work with. However, we make everything simple for you. You do not have to worry because our processor will handle for you. Our processor, we build a tool to help you out. So you can do the pricing quickly. Our technology will help. You can also create a rate alert right here. You can create a rate alert so that you and the client will be informed by our rate alert. We will monitor the rate and tell you when the target hit. So, and then during the active loan process, our rate alert also monitor the rate every day and email your client every morning. And our processor will take care of the problem for you, even with difficult clients, because our processor do have the experience working with all of these lenders, and they will take care of that for you. You don't have to worry about processing. The moment the loan is ready to be submitted, the processor will take over and bring the loan all the way to fund it for you, so that you don't have to worry about dealing with difficult lenders. Thank you, Tom. Hey, Francisco.
Yes, I have a question in regards to the processor. Is that provided by the loan factory, or is it someone that is independent? And how much do they charge? And is it taken out of our commission? How does that work?
Good question. So we charge $500 for our in-house processing.
Okay.
99% of our loans are done by in-house processing because it's stable, it's good, it's cheap. So all of our loan officers love to help our in-house processor to handle the loans for them. If you go with a third-party processor, it is a lot more expensive.
Mm-hmm.
And we will not be responsible. We will not care what's going on. You have to deal with the processor yourself, and you have to pay higher.
Yes, that is true. A lot of processors, they charge a lot more than this. Now, one more question in regards to the products that you guys offer. Do you guys offer for mobile homes in I-10 borrowers and vacant lot?
Yes, good question. So let me share with you our system. But before that, you can see that our pricing engine will help you a lot more than just the pricing engine. You can select two different options here. This is like a buy down option, and you can click on compare now. The system will compare the option for you, so that you can see the break-even point in 3 years, right? And you can share this to your client. You can take picture and text it to your client. You can do so many different things, like you can see the 20-year fix, and then select it, and then see the 15-year fix, and then select it, and then you can compare the 3 different options. Then you can see that 15 years, the client can save $84,000. You can share this to your client. You can do a lot of different things. You can compare an FHA versus a VA loan. We also allow you to check to see if the client qualify or not. So a lot of great feature. And let me log in. Before that, we have this rating to share with you. We have a no income doc pricing engine. So you can quickly price a non-QM loan. Let's say in this case, a bank statement loan. You can check the rate, and you can see the rate can be 5.5. Or you can select, you can run the pricing for the SCR loan. And for the SCR, you need 25% equity. And you can, you have to make sure the ratio here are correct. You have to have reserve. You can check the rate right here. And you see the rate is pretty good, 6.25. And this is refinance with almost no closing costs. Very good rate. We shop around among many different lenders. So you can save a lot of money and you can win the deal. So it's so important that you must use a pricing engine nowadays. And we have this for you, the non-QM and QM pricing engine. Okay, so now let me share with you our marketplace. Let me share with you our marketplace. Here on our marketplace, you can see that we have 245 lenders. 10 of them are online right now. 10 of them are online. That means they are live. You can click on this to talk to the AE. They are live to answer your question. So 10 lenders are live right now. And you can switch between our wholesale and correspondent. If you select correspondent, you will see that we have lending license in 40 states. Here are the states. And you can see that we have 5 investors: Rocket, Kai Lending, PennyMac, Sunwest, and US. You can see that you can look up any lender, like AAA Lending. You can see their information, or everything about their company. On our marketplace, everything happened on our marketplace. You can also find out the products. You know, because we work with 245 lenders, we can do almost any types of loans, like jumbo loan, non-QM loan, private loan, commercial, home equity, you know, all kind of loan. Let's say non-QM here. You can see that we can do 12-month bank statement, 1-year tax return, P&L, WVOE program, DSCR program, and ITIN program here. So for ITIN program, we have 83 lenders that can do ITIN program. And if you want, you can email them. A scenario. So basically, you have a scenario, you don't know which lender can take it, what loan program can you submit. You can basically click here and write your scenario, write your inquiry. And then when you submit, you can submit to these 10 or 20 lender. You send it to them, right? And when you send, they will get a text message or email, and they will get back to you. Then your inquiry will show up in here. You can see our loan officer ask a question here, and the lender answer question. Our loan officer asks a question, and the lender answer right here. So you see every day a lot of loan officer ask question, and the lender answer. This way, you can find a lender for your clients, for your investor, and you don't have to say no to your clients anymore. I bet that most of you, if say all of you, said no to your client in the past, right? Say, oh, I don't do commercial, I don't do equity line of credit, I don't do mobile home loan. Now you don't have to say that. Now you can help your clients so that they will be more happy with you and you can make money. Never say no to your client, because we do have a lot of lender, a lot of program to help your clients. So the lender finder is really good. On the loan factory here, you can see that we have the support specialists are live to help you. The underwriter are live to help you. And now corporate codes are also live to help you. We have 3 corporate codes are live right now to help you. Actually 5. So we are live to help you, and it's all free. You know, there's nothing better than talk to someone live and get help from them. You know, any type of question, you can go here and they can help you. We have like more than 24 different departments, 36 different departments to help you. You can simply create a ticket for them and they will get back to you. We have a team concept, team. You can form a team yourself. Like this team have 10 members. And you can talk to the team leader if you want to join a team. You can talk to the team leader to learn more, and you can join them. Or if you are experienced, you can become a team leader. So we support the teamwork. We also have corporate coach. These corporate coach will help you, especially if you are inexperienced. They will help you. We also have production partner. You can sign up to be a production partner as well. So let's say if you have a loan that you don't know how to handle, let's say USDA loan or jumbo loan, or some kind of loan, weird loan that you have no idea how you can do it, you can look up a production partner or someone who speaks a language that you don't speak. You can sign up here and they can help you. So there's a lot of help in the company. Here are all the training, event or training. You can join or you can watch it. If it's completed, you can watch it. Click watch now and you can watch it. So every day we have a lot of training every day for you to learn. We also have the academy, an academy for you to learn as well. Under miscellaneous here, we have an academy. You click on it, there's a class, online class that you can learn a lot of different topics. See the training academy. This is really good for new loan officer to learn. So here's the academy, and there's a lot of different training for you. You can go to all courses. You can see all the courses. Okay. Let me go back to that that marketplace. You can see all of the DPA programs here. You can filter. There's all kind of trade show going on that you can attend. Announcement from the lender, vendor. You can see our third-party processor. So there's a lot going on our marketplace. Let me see if I can take question. Anyone have question? Let's see. Vivek. Hello, hi Vivek.
Yeah, I do. I have two questions. One is, can a loan officer actually process their own loans?
No, we don't want loan officer to process loan because we want you to focus on originating, focus on marketing, focus on bringing the clients.
Okay. Second question is, do you work with UWM as well?
We don't work with UWM because they have the ultimatum. They force us not to work with Rocket, and we don't like that. And they have high rate. Rocket has better rate than them.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Calvin.
Hey, good morning or afternoon. So for how much is the lender's paid commission?
Good question. So for lender pay compensation, we set it at 250 bps.
Okay.
In reality, it's very difficult to reach this because of the competition. So most of the time, we switch to borrow pay and lower our comp. That is how you can stay competitive. We have to lower our comp to stay competitive. And you can lower your comp by switching to borrow pay compensation, or you have to send your loan to our correspondent channel. So we have correspondent channel in 40 states. Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you guys provide leads? Can we buy leads, or we have to generate that ourselves?
For lead, we do offer lead. So let me share with you the screen. When you join Loan Factory, you can go to your setting, company lead here. We have 4 different types of lead. Trigger lead will go away very soon. Rocket lead, sometimes they give us, sometimes they stop.
Sorry, you're not sharing.
You don't see my screen? Oh, let me,
No.
all right, let me. Okay. You see that, right?
Yep.
So on the company, on the setting, you can go to company lead tab, and you can see that we have 4 types of lead. Trigger lead will go away, I think next month. Rocket lead, sometimes they give it to us, sometimes they stop. So it's very unpredictable. Facebook lead, we run Facebook ads, we get lead and we share to our loan officer in 42 states. Company lead, we have that as well, but not many. Basically, company lead are the borrower who go to our website and fill out the application. So these are actually clients. They fill out application and upload document. So the chance that we can close this deal are very high, 50%, around that. And because the chance that you can close very high, and you do very little because the processor and the assistant will take care of the loan, we pay you only 25% basis point. I mean 25 bip, very little. However, you got to keep the client. You are the loan officer, and you build relationship with this client so that in the future the client come back or refer more clients, they are yours. So
Is there a fee for that, for getting or receiving leads?
no fee at all. Okay. The only thing is we have so many loan officer and only very limited leads. So there's no guarantee you will get it.
Thank you.
We will try to give it to you. If you do a good job, you get more. If you don't do a good job, you might not get it again. And so we rank our loan officers. If you rank high, you get, when we distribute it to our text message, you can download the mobile app. By the way, we have mobile app for our loan officers. If you sign up to receive lead, we will send text message and notification to your mobile app. If you want to take the lead, you just accept it. Whoever first will get it. So if you rank high, you get the notification before others loan officers. Thank you. Hello, Tom.
Hi, Tuan. On the correspondent side, is that only for conventional, or does it also include FHA and VA?
I believe it includes FHA. I'm not sure. We are not. Yeah, I think it's including VA, but not FHA.
Not FHA, but VA possibly.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Let me see what's my screen is so small. I cannot see the full name. Who's next? Selena?
Yes. Hi, Tuan. Can you show me the EPO information in the marketplace?
Yes, EPO, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to see EPO? Most lenders have EPO of 6 months. So I'm not sure what you want to see.
Yeah, because I see on the contract I needed to pay back not only my commission but also compensate loan factory the amount that you guys have. So I don't I have no idea how much gonna that be.
So basically whatever the lender asks for. So let's say there's an EPO. The lender will ask us to pay back the commission. Most lenders want us to pay back the full commission. That means you have to pay back. But some lenders are greedy. They want us to pay back all the credit that the borrower received. And we have to deal with them. So whatever they request, we have to pay back, then we have to pay back. But we As a company, we will negotiate with them so that we don't have to pay too much.
So that means it's like 2.5%, like 250 BPS.
Whatever we make on that loan, basically.
Right. So basically, in general, like on average, is like 2.5% of the loan amount.
If that loan we make 2.5%, we have to pay them back 2.5%.
Okay. So each time, each transaction, I can negotiate with the lender. Is that right?
Yeah, every loan.
Because I want to mitigate my risk, because right now we are saying, oh, the risk, the rate is gonna go down. So once if it drops suddenly, then maybe everyone would be refinanced.
You are right, and that is why we always offer our client the best rate. We don't have many EPO. In fact, at Loan Factory, we don't have any EPO. Every month we don't even have one EPO to pay. We close almost 1,000 loans every month. So the chance that we have to pay EPO is very low. And you know what is even better? We offer excellent service that our clients love us. And therefore, if they want to refinance, they always reach out to us. And so that we can manage the timing so that we don't have to pay EPO. So that's good. That's what good about Loan Factory. We rarely have any EPO. And most lenders like Rocket, they give it, they have no EPO policy. We don't have to pay EPO. And PennyMac, they allow us 3 EPO every quarter, so we don't have to pay. So there's a lot of rate thing at Loan Factory that you don't have to worry.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we need to just follow up the client. If they want to refinance, it's better initial up with us. Otherwise, we have to pay out.
Here is what I tell you. Here is what great about Loan Factory. Let me share with you this. I cannot show you I cannot show you the production side because it has client private information. But I can show you something else so that you can aware. So basically, we have 3 pipeline: leads, prospect, and loans, right? On every loan, when we have loan, we create what we call a rate alert, like right here. We create a rate alert for our client so that we create rate alert for our client like this, right? So every day, the alert will email the client with the rate. You see the rate alert is created. Oh, let me see. We have rate alert for every single loan. That way, our client will be notified of the rate every day, every morning. So let me tell you the whole process of a loan. Then you can see how good we are. You know, you can see that right here. I have rate alert feature right here, and you can see that I have almost 7,000 active alert, standalone alerts, standalone, just an alert, an alert that linked to a transaction. I have 25,000. No, let me see, 2,500 active alert. I have a lot of alert running every day to monitor the rate. And when rate drop, it email me and email the borrower so that they can refinance. So today alone, I have 45 rate alert right here. So I will be the first one to notify the client that, hey, rate drop, refinance. And of course, they reach out to me. Who else they gonna reach out? I'm the first one that tell them, right? And even if their rate are not good enough, I still email them every month, monthly. I check to see if it's in the money, near the money, or out the money, and email them. So they always receive my email. They know that I'm watching out for them. I'm watching the rate for them. And when rate drop, I will tell them. So that way they feel safe. They feel that I'm watching out the rate for them. There's no need to talk to anyone else out there, right? And when rate drop, like these clients, notify them, they will apply, and that's it, done. We make more money. We do very little work. And let me share with you the loan process. You know, the client or you can fill out the application manually. You can invite your borrower to fill out the application. You can issue the pre-qualification letter quickly. You can import a 3.4 XML file, or you can have AI to fill out the application. The borrower can do this as well. So basically, on the new application, you can drag this document in here, and AI will read the document and fill out for us. So the process is the client. I forgot to mention to you that we will create a website for each of you. So for example, here is the portal for the loan officer. Zoom in here, right? Anyway, by the way, if you live in California, you should know this program, California Dream for All program. This is the best program for anyone in California. If you promote this, you might get some clients. $150,000 down payment assistance. We build this landing page for our loan officer. You can promote it, the client can fill out the application, and you can help the client. So we build a website for our loan officer. It is almost the same as the main website. It has the, review and all that. So every loan officer will have this website so that your client can go here to fill out application. Your borrower can, they can fill out the application. They can check the rate. They can, the Dream for All right here. We build this website for you so that you can take application, and the borrower can also create a rate alert as well. So let's say the borrower go to your website, check the rate, fill out application, and when they fill out application, the system knows right away when they started the application. The system will text you and say, "Hey, Selena, there's a new application." You call the borrower when they're still filling out the application. You offer to help them. Say, you can call them and say, "Hey, Kevin, I saw you filling out the application on my website. You have any question for me? You need help? I can help you finish the application." So you help them finish the application. And as soon as they finish the application, the system will generate a list of documents that we need from them. They will upload it to you. And when they finish all that, you will go in, review the 1003, review the document that they submitted. You can pull credit report. You can run AUS. You can do all of that. You can check the pricing. You pick the lender, pick the loan program. You do all of that. And if everything goes well, you will create rate alert for them. Right? You run the pricing, you pick the lender, you create rate alert, and you tell the processor to submit the loan for you. You convert a prospect into a loan. So you can see the lead, prospect, and loan right here. Leads is just the lead, right? You run ads, you generate lead, it show up in your list pipeline. If the borrower fill out application, it become a prospect. And when the prospect ready to be submitted, the loan ready to be submitted to the lender, you convert it to a loan. You pick the channel, wholesale or correspondent. You pick a lender. You pick the compensation, what you want, how much you want. you decide all of the important facts, and then the processor will take over and submit the loan. The processor will bring the loan all the way to fund it for you. And all you need to do is request commission after it's funded. You will call the borrower up and say, hey, Kevin, thank you for completing the application and upload all the documents. I created a rate alert for you. The rate alert will monitor the rate every morning. If you see the rate that you like, call me, I will lock for you. If you don't like the rate, we have to keep waiting. But if this is a purchase, we have to close in 30 days. And therefore, we don't have a lot of time. We have to lock it. So you explain the process to the borrower. And my assistant, my processor is Richard. He will work with you to send the lender all the conditions that they're asking for. You explain the process to your borrower. So our system is highly automated and highly defined. We give the borrower full control. They see the whole thing. They are in the control seat. They control the whole process, and they do most of the work for you. And because they do most of the work and they see all of the thing going on, they love it because they're in control. They love it. So at the end, the borrower do most of the work, the processor do most of the work. You do very little. And that's how good we are. We support so that you do very little, and you can focus on originating, focus on marketing, bringing more clients. We also have a mobile app. Our loan officer can travel the world and still use the app to find out what's going on and communicate to our clients and processor using the mobile app. So we are highly technical. We help making the process so simple and easy for everyone. And so come back to that EPO. We rarely have any EPO. The clients are very happy with us. And therefore, if they need to refinance, they always reach out to us. Thank you, Selena.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Francisco.
Hello. I have a question in regards to, I live in California, and I also have my DRE license. Am I allowed to work with your bank even though I have a DRE license with a different real estate company?
Good question. For those in California, if you have DRE real estate license, you can get your mortgage license. And your mortgage license can be either DRE endorsed or DFPI. If you want to work with two separate companies, real estate with a different company and mortgage with loan factory, then you can get your DFPI license, loan license. However, if you get your DFPI loan license, you have to be W-2. So I recommend you to have DRE license so that you can be 1099. And also loan factory have real estate services in California. You can sign up both real estate and loan with loan factory. Our real estate division, we charge only $695 flat fee. We don't charge no insurance or monthly fee or annual fee. So it's very competitive. I hope I answered your question.
In my case, if I want to keep my license with the current real estate office that I'm in, would I be allowed to work with you independently and hang my NMLS license with you guys?
There's a problem. Your NMLS is DRE. So you have only one DRE license. And because one license, you can only hang it with one company. So if you want to work with loan factory, you need to call NMLS and change the license to DFPI license. That way you have two licenses. the DRE real estate license with that company, and the DFPI loan license with Loan Factory. But there's a disadvantage in that because DFPI license, we only pay W-2. And if you are W-2 loan officer, we pay you only 90%, not 100%, like 1099. And, you know, 1099, I mean, when you are W-2, you have to pay the state and federal income tax and all that. So most loan officers want to stay 1099. And that means, you know, I would recommend you to consider moving to Loan Factory for real estate as well. That way you got to stay at 1099, you keep 100%, and you keep more money than working with the other real estate company.
When it comes to the Loan Factory fees, what are the fees? And for the real estate, what are the fees that you guys charge?
For real estate, we don't charge any fee. No monthly fee, no maintenance fee, no desk fee, no insurance, nothing. We only have one flat fee, $6.95 per close transaction for real estate. $6.95, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Francisco. Hello, Calvin.
Hey, so when it comes to pre-approval, does Loan Factory provide pre-approval with like TBD address, like no address?
Yes. So you can use our system to issue the pre-approval to our client. And when you talk about with address, that means we call it TBD approval. And it's free. Our loan officer, our processor will help you submit the loan to the lender and get the TBD approval for you. It's free.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Hey, Claudia.
Hey, I have a couple of questions. The application, do you have the application in different language, like for instance, Spanish? They can apply in their own language or no?
Nowadays, the browser are very smart. Let's say right here, when you fill out the application, the user can basically double click here and translate it to a different language. So you can use browser to translate. We don't have the application in different language yet.
Okay. The processing. Is it processing assisting people in their language or just English?
Yeah, we have processor in 3 countries, Vietnam, Philippines, and Colombia. So we do have a Spanish-speaking processor for you.
Great. And I'm in Texas, so I have license in Texas. If I need or I have clients sometimes from other states, will be able to use you even if I'm like licensing in other states?
Yeah, we can help you obtain license in other states. We can guide you with that. Yeah, and we will sponsor you.
And that will be a different fee, or it will have a different, I will have to split my commission, or how that works in that case?
You want to get licensed in other states, right?
Not right now. For instance, if I'm in the process to have clients from other states, but I don't have license in that state, will you provide a service that I can still helping them even if I'm not licensed?
We cannot because you don't have a license. However, it is very easy to get the license in other states. Fast, easy. So I recommend you to do that. If you let's say if you have a client that needs to be helped right away, then you can put it under my name. I can help the client until your license is active, and then we can move the loan back to you.
Okay. And the same system, the W-2 and the 1099 applies to every state?
Yeah, in most states, you can be 1099. However, in this state, you have to be W-2. In this state, California DFPI, Indiana DFI, and then Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, Rhode Island, and Vermont. So these states, you have to be W2.
Okay. Did you provide with email and all the email address and website? I guess.
We give you a whole suite of Google Workspace. So you get Google Drive, Google Email, Calendar, Chat, Hangout, all kind of things from Google.
CRM.
Yes, I will show you that CRM later on. Very cool, very integrated. Yeah.
And just to be clear, it is any fee, monthly fee that we have to pay you to be access to platform or maintain the.
There is no monthly fee, no technology fee. Everything's free. You pay nothing. You don't, every month you don't pay anything. There's optional fee like a Zoom phone. If you want a Zoom phone, it's $10 a month. That's optional. There's no other fee. Every loan you close, you pay a flat fee of $595 plus 500 processing, and that's it. Nothing else. We provide all the technology for you. We build everything. You save money. You save tons of money.
Okay.
Yeah. We provide training, a lot of training. We have a marketing support. So our team of marketing will help you with any marketing that you need. Let's say you need a customized image, we have that for you. If you need to edit a video, we edit it for you, free. If you need to run an ad on Facebook, on LinkedIn, we will help you. It's free. So our marketing team can help you. Our underwriting also help you for free. We have an underwriting team who can help you with any question related to your loan, like the guideline, the products, the lenders. They can help you underwrite a loan. These are internal underwriter, and they help you for free. They can help you find a product or lender for your scenario. Let's say you have a difficult scenario, you don't have no idea what to do, then our underwriter can assist you. We offer live loan officer support on our website, on our marketplace. I showed you earlier. We don't charge any monthly fee, no junk fee. You save so much money on the software and everything else. I talked about this already. You get 100% commission minus a flat fee of $10.95 and 500 processing fee you have to pay. I talk about company lead, Facebook lead. We have that as well. We run ads on Facebook. We get a lot of lead. We share that to our loan officers. We have pass or RSU. So bonus. So if you are a producing loan officer, you will receive RSU when you join the company. So if you close, let's say 12 loans a year, average one loan a month, you get 2,000 shares when you join. And whoever refer you, if you are in the company, you get 1,000 shares or $1,000. So we have RSU for our loan officers. Let me take on more questions. Let me see. Bob? Hello, hi, Bob. I'm sorry, Natu. Me too.
Yeah. Sorry, but I think so you answered most of the question, but about the processing fee and thing you mentioned is after the loan closing only it will be done. Like the 500 and the 595, it's only after the loan closing. So that's good. That was my question. And whom to contact for the real estate versus the loan officer license, because I'm also a realtor. So wanted to understand what would be the next step and whom to contact for that.
Yeah, after the webinar, our team will reach out to each of you to see if you are interested. And if you are interested, they will proceed to guide you with the onboarding.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we will reach out to you. Thank you in the 2 weeks. Thank you. Hey, Bayton.
Yes, hey Thorne, how you doing?
Good.
I have 2 questions. One, when I become a broker here in Georgia, will I be able to switch from a W-2 to a 1099? And then the second question is, will Loan Factory ever become licensed in the state of New York?
I could not hear the second question. Can you ask that?
Yeah, the second question, will Loan Factory ever become licensed in the state of New York?
Good question. So the first question, the answer is in the state of Georgia, you have to be W-2. There's no other way. And we are working with the state of New York, and we really want to get licensed there. So yes, in the future, hopefully in about 6 to 12 months, we will have the license in New York.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you. And one more question, and then I will move on to show you a lot more about CRM, our system. Hey, Sabanka.
Hey, hi. I am in North and South Carolina, and I'm thinking to get a license in Tennessee. So now, if I am in Loan Factory, will I be on W-2 or 1099?
Yeah, North Carolina, you have to be W-2. That is the state requirement.
And then let's say if I'm processing a loan for Tennessee, which is probably 1099, then it's like you will see this as loan to loan basis, like case to case basis, or how that's gonna work.
You can, if you have a loan license in a W-2 state, you will be W-2 in all other states.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, sorry about that. But let me share with you more about our system. Okay, so let me make sure you see my screen. Yeah, what happened? Okay, so you see my screen. Okay, so I showed you the Ray Alert feature, right? It's really powerful. It helped me bring back a lot of clients. I don't have to do anything. I don't need to do anything. Clients just keep coming back. They get my email notification regularly. I stay on top of their mind. They know that I'm watching the rate for them. So this is a rate tool that all loan officer must have. Rate Alert is the rate tool. A commission request, you can check your commission. You can request commission. Closing gift, we have this. You can turn it on. If you turn it on, then every loan that you close, you can send a gift to them. And this is a curtain board. The curtain board is really beautiful, big, good quality, and it costs only less than $46. It will be engraved with the borrower initial and your name on it, so that the borrower know you. So I would, it's a great benefit to offer your clients. Let me see, ticket. We use ticket system. If you need help with any department, you can create a ticket. My referral partners, you can build up your referral partner. The system will track the referral back and forth and send a monthly report to your referral partner. So this is a great tool to have. We have Loan Factory IQ. I bet most of you heard about HomeBot and My Home IQ, right? So we have something similar, if not better. Because, for me, our Loan Factory IQ is better, actually. You can see that I have more than 24,000 homeowners. They receive the report from me, and they receive 3 emails. They open one, they read the report twice, and here's the report. Here's the report. We show them the loan estimate. They love to see how much their house worth, how much they gain since they purchase. They can check out the option if they want to cash out from equity or from a cash out refinance. They can see the current payment. They can see how much. They can see if they pay more, how much they can save. They can see the refinance option. This is their current rate right now, and here's the new rate. So this is what makes us better. We have the rate alert to monitor for them. This way, we can win a lot of refinance clients. And if they want to buy more property, we show them their purchasing power. So, and the borrower can see your name on the bottom of the report and on top of the report. So this tool is so amazing. It helped me stay on top of more than 20 top of mind of all of my clients. And you can ask more people to sign up. You can also share this to your realtor. And your realtor can use this for free. Your realtor can send it to their client. And you will be showing on top here along with them. So side by side, you'll be on top of their client, top of mind. So this is Loan Factory IQ. We offer to our loan officer. It's amazing. It's really good. Marketing feature. We have Facebook ads. This is a tool to help you run ads on Facebook. This only takes 30 seconds. Basically, you can run a new ad. Click on this Facebook lead form ads. So this, if you select this, you get a lead from Facebook. If you select this, you get traffic ads. So you can run the ads by selecting what do you want. You want lead or you want traffic. And then you select a template. Let's say you live in California, you must promote this California Dream for All. If you promote this, the client can see this on your social media. And they tap on it, they become your lead. You can call the lead and try to convert them. So we have thousands of templates for you to select in different language. Spanish here, Chinese here, in Vietnamese here. So all kind of languages, Arabic here. We have $1,000 best price guarantee here too. All kind of programs you can promote to get lead. And it's free. If you promote this on your home, on your social media, it's free, right? Organic. But you can run ads as well. So we build this to help you out. A lot of different language, loan program, template for you to run. And these are the ads. Let's say you want to run this ad, right? You select this template. You enter how much you want to spend per day. When you want to stop the ads, you can enter the campaign name. You can run multiple ads at the same time. Each ad will have a source, different source, so you know which ads is effective or not. You can edit the content if you want to. You can select what state you want to target, what language you want to target, and submit it. You can also check the box here, so that if the lead show up, it will notify you. So this is our Facebook ads tool to help you run ads. You have Google review. This is also another tool. We help you. So we help you get a Google business profile so that you can ask for a 5-star review. And with every loan that you close, we try our best to ask the borrower to give you a 5-star review. And the processor will help because this is their KPI. They also get the bonus. So you can, when you get a 5-star review, you can generate the image and post it on your social media. Most loan officers overlook this and don't have this, and that is not good. We help you. Email drip campaign. You know what is email drip campaign? You need to have that. I send all my clients during all holiday and referral partner as well. I also have follow-up campaign. When let's say the client that close loan, I do a 1 year anniversary. You know, for lead and prospect, I also have follow-up to reach out to them. Contact list. These are the big list that I can import here and reach out to them at the same time to email or text message. We have lead funnel and widget. You can create a lead funnel right here in 30 seconds and drive traffic to the lead funnel. We have rate update and newsletter. You can build that as well. We have many other things. And I guess we have loan product page where you can promote. Anyway, yeah. So let me pause it here and answer your question again. Hello, hi Bob.
Hello, I was just wondering how the borrower gets his documents to us. Are we responsible for collecting all that, or is that the processor's job?
You have to collect that. However, the system will help you. When the borrower fill out the application, the system will generate the list of conditions, the list of documents that we need from them. So let me share with you the screen right here. So when the borrower fill out application, it will show up on the prospect folder. And you can see what is the percentage that they complete, right? And 14% right here. And the system also generates a list of to-do or the list of documents that we need from the borrower like this. And the borrower can upload it. So the borrower know what is needed from them, and then we upload it. Right now, most loan officer, your responsibility is to make sure the borrower upload all of these conditions, these documents. The processor only take over when the loan is ready to be submitted to the lender. Prior to that, it's your responsibility. However, if you are busy, if you have a lot of loans, a lot of clients, you can sign up for a loan assistant. We call that a loan coordinator. The loan coordinator is really good. It will help you because it's cheap. If we charge $250 per closed loan, if you don't close, you don't pay. So it's really cheap. So that is optional as well.
Can you also just speak briefly about the business cards and stationery?
Yeah, the marketing team will help you design a business card for you. You can just download it and print it out. So you have to pay for your own production, like producing the business card. But our marketing team will help you prepare your business card, the soft copy for you.
One last thing is the 2 fees that were charged as loan officers, can they be passed on to the borrowers?
Good question. Yes and no. So the processing fee, if you want to charge the borrower, you have to send it to our correspondent channel. Then you can charge the borrower. For wholesale, we cannot. However, because you can control your commission, you can simply raise your commission. Let's say if you expect to make 150 bps, you can raise it to 175 bps so that you can have extra money to pay for the processing fee. So it's the same, no different.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Bob. Hi, Claudia. I cannot hear you, Claudia. I think you're on mute.
Sorry about that. I have another question about the processing time. once the processor has the contract and has all the documentation, what is the processing time to send it to the lender or the whatever the person, and what is the response or the like condition approval with condition? What will be the time frame for that conditional approval?
Good question. We have a very high standard. Right now, it's 4 business hours. They have to submit the loan and issue disclosure within 4 hours. And we are trying to use AI to automate that.
We disclose the document. We as a lender, no, the processor will disclose the application.
Yes, the processor will do everything. Remember that. As long as you prepare the loan so it can be ready, the processor will submit the loan, issue disclosure, and do everything. So they have to submit the loan and issue disclosure within 4 business hours. And they have to monitor the rate and the loan so that as soon as the loan is approved, they will reach out to you to go over all conditions. Make sure you and them understand the condition and agree on how to clear them. Then they will call the borrower to explain the condition to the borrower. They will work with the borrower. They must touch the loan every day. They must touch the loan every day. And if they run into new condition, they need to let them know. If they run into any problem, they must escalate to their manager so that they can resolve it, or they can escalate to you. So we have a high standard on the processing part. Yeah, and we also try to automate the submission and disclosure process. So we have our AI automating that. So the moment you convert the loan and tell the system that it's ready to go, AI will submit the loan and issue the disclosure. So we are finishing that with Rocket first.
How friendly is the platform for the borrower? How friendly is?
Very friendly, very friendly. They have a portal, they have an account. They can use our mobile app to interact with us as well. Very friendly. We build everything in-house, the technology, the mobile app, everything. We build everything in-house. And when you work with the client, when you work with the system, if you see any problem or if you see any improvement, let us know. We will make it happen for you. Thank you. Hey, Peyton.
Yes, Dawn. In any event, if we need to do manual underwriting, will the processor handle that?
We are not a lender. So if we need to do manual underwriting on the loan, normally the lender will have their underwriter do that for us. Yeah. Thank you, Peyton. Hello, hi, Bilay.
Hi, how are you, Tuan? I have a
Good.
quick question about the processing. How do we communicate with the coordinators or the processors? Is it through an email or from the marketplace?
Everything through our system. So let me share with you. Everything happen will be captured in the system. So let's say if you have a loan, right? You can have your own pipeline. Like here, you see my screen, right?
Yes.
When you go to your loan pipeline, you can see mine, which is your loan. If you have a team, you can see your team. If you have a branch, you can see your branch. For me, I can see the whole company. But for you, you can see your own pipeline. And your loan pipeline, you can see the status of the loan. You can see the loan summary here. You can see the to-do, that means the outstanding condition. Remember, this is not a live website. That's why the number is a little bit weird. But you can see the loan status, the condition. You can see the expected close date. You can see active ticket. So you can see everything. And then you can see the note. Our processor write note every day, so you know what's going on. the processor and LC. So this is where all the communication going on in here. If you want something, you can type it in and then save an email. So you can choose to email the borrower, the processor, the loan officer, the loan coordinator, the buyer agent. So instead of writing a manual email, you can write into the system and email anyone you want to. And that way, the conversation stay in this page, in the note. The conversation saved here in the note. And then you can also check our record here. Let's say here, you can go to the conversation history. Right here, right? You can see all email history going out, going in and out. You can see text message history. You can see the Zoom call log, the Zoom text message, and all that. So you have control. You can see what's going on with your loan. That's why you feel happier too, because you can see the status of the loan. You can see all the emails sent to the borrower or received from the borrower. And you can interact with the client and the processor and the loan coordinator within our system, everything within our system. And all of these, you can use a mobile app. We build a mobile app for you and for the client as well. We are the only company that have mobile app to help you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Anyone else have more questions for me? Yeah, hi, Scott.
Hey, how are you? Just a question on your compliance, getting LEs out, change of TOCs and whatnot. How does your system help you with that? I'm still brand new, so I want to make sure everything goes right and smooth. How does your system work to make sure you keep compliant?
Our system, because we build our own system, so if there's any issue arise, we fix it so that the world will not happen again. We prevent it from happening. At the same time, when we deal with the regulator, we know what we need to do, so we build it into our system so that the system will help us stay compliant. Like we have our own disclosure per state, per lender, so that the system will generate the disclosure when needed. So again, compliance is the biggest item that we have to make sure we take care of. Yeah.
Perfect. And secondly, for credit pools, soft pools, BOEs, appraisals, all that, if it doesn't close, are we on the hook for those fees and whatnot?
Yeah, there's only two fees. There are two upfront fees, which is the appraisal report, the credit report, and the appraisal report, right? Okay. So for credit report, our system is smart. The website that we build for you, you can configure that website. You can say, "Here, have the borrower pay for it." So if you say that, the borrower will be able to pull the credit and pay for it. You don't have to pay. If you turn it off, then you have to pay for it when you pull. Same thing with the appraisal report. Appraisal report, basically, we only order when the loan is approved or rate locked. We don't order it early, and you have to pay for it, actually. Yeah, only two. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Scott.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, if you have more questions, just ask me. Just raise your hand. Hi, Nitu. Hello, Nitu.
Yeah. Sorry, you mentioned the appraisal report we need to pay, or it will be added into the borrower?
The borrower actually have to pay.
Borrower, in the borrower, yeah.
Normally, when we order appraisal report, we ask the borrower to pay.
Correct. Okay. My question back to the realtor part was, so I have a realtor license in Kentucky and Ohio, and a loan officer license in Kentucky. So does that still apply? What you mentioned earlier, I need to have the license update or something?
No, that is only for California.
Okay, for California. Okay.
For the other state, you only worry about loan license, and you sign up with us, with Loan Factory. For real estate license, it's not related to loan at all. So you do whatever you want.
Okay, okay. Because I know the state compliance part is you cannot do both the transaction with the both the role. I can
No.
either be no. That is what I understand for Kentucky, that I cannot do a home selling and the loan for one transaction. I can be in two transactions playing two different roles. That is fine.
Really? Check with me again. Check with my compliance team again. I really want to know, because I know that most states, I would say maybe all of the state except one or two states, allow you to represent both in the same transaction.
No, I will not. No, in Kentucky it is not allowed. That's what I'm
Really?
saying. It is not allowed. Yeah.
Cool, cool. Thank you for letting me know. I will
Yeah,
make
but I will still check on that. That okay, whether, and basically I don't want to do that. Either I will play a realtor role, or either I will play a loan officer role. Yeah. So.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for letting me know that. Yeah. Actually, I just checked. Kentucky allow dual role, dual agency.
Oh, is it?
Well, let me see right here. Let me ask again.
Same transaction. I cannot do it for the same transaction.
They allow it. It's just that it's strict. That's all. No, they allow it. It's allowed. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good to know. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So thank you everyone for joining me, and I hope that you learn a lot. Sorry, it's been more than an hour and a half, but there's a lot of things going on, and I hope that you learn a lot from me. Hey, Bob, you have more questions?
Well, just if you have a little bit of time, could you give us a little background on yourself and when Loan Factory got started?
Yeah, cool. Thank you for asking this question. I started the business almost 20 years ago. And when I started the business, I was just like most of you, a small, tiny loan officer, do everything by myself. And I would say all loan officer, when you starting now, it's very difficult. So nobody know about you. Nobody want to do business with you. You are struggling to find a client. So I was in the same shoes, so I understand that. And my strategy is different, was different. I really care for my client. I work very hard. I don't even care about myself. When I help my client, my goal is to make sure they are happy. If they are not happy, I fail. So for the first few years, I work very hard for them, very, very hard. And my goal is to give them the best possible rate. So I work with the best lender back then, which is Provident Funding. Back then, Provident Funding, their rates are so good that no other lender can come close. But they are difficult. And I was not afraid. So I sent all my loans to Provident Funding. I work hard to make sure the loan can be closed. And therefore, all of my borrowers, they love me. Most of the loan I make very little, like $1,000. But my client love me. And because of that, they refer more clients to me. They refer their family and friends to me. And that's how my business pick up. That's how my business pick up. And I keep doing that in many, many years. My business keep getting more busy. It takes time, but it keep growing slowly. And if I was not greedy though, I was not greedy. I always try to make sure the quality is there. I always try to make sure all my clients are happy. So that is the number one priority. I will not sacrifice the quality. Therefore, many years, I run into the problem that I have too many clients. I was so busy, I couldn't get enough help. And because of that, I keep working harder and harder. And there's to solve that problem, the problem that I'm too busy. In order to solve that problem, first I have to hire more staff to help me. But then I live in Silicon Valley, where everything is so expensive, especially labor. So I couldn't hire quality employee. You know, most of them go and work for tech firm. You know, they pay very well. So I have problem with that. So I have to rely on technology. My goal is to keep automating so that I don't have to do things manually. Because when I do things manually, I keep making mistakes. I forgot to do this and that. It creating problem. And on top of that, when I do things manually, it takes a lot of time. So that is why I build a technology. And I keep improving it. I keep improving it so that it becomes faster and faster. And I can do things faster so that I can help more clients. So it's been so many years that I keep doing that. So that's why our system keeps growing. Whatever I want to do, I build into the technology to help me get it done. And when I lose a client, I got so mad. I said, why I lose the client? You know, I don't want to lose client to anyone. So that's why I keep improving my process, my technology, my marketing, so that I will not lose client anymore. And so that's why I keep my production keep growing and growing and growing. And up to a point, I built a beautiful system, beautiful process. And then I figured out that I should share that to loan officer out there. So that's why I opened up the company and have loan officer join it. And within 3.5 years, we grow from 0 loan officer to almost 2,500 loan officer now. Over 3.5 years. We have so many loan officers now and everyone happy. And we still growing so fast because loan officer, once they join, they see the benefit, they understand what's going on, they are happy, they stay. With other company, they recruit, but then loan officer come and go. They leave the company when they don't see the benefit. So the goal here at Loan Factory is to help you, bring benefit to you so that you see the benefit, you stay with us, you grow your business with us. So that's what's going on. And I can share with you our dashboard. You can see our dashboard here. The internet is slow. So the performance right here, you can see over the past 3 months, we close average about 800-900 loans per month. And I myself, in January, I closed 88 loans. A month before, 127 loans. You can see the production of other loan officer here. So we track everything. We track everything. And, you know, I barely spend much time originating, but my client love me and they keep coming back to me. The client love me and keep coming back to me. And that's why my production keep growing, even though I barely do anything. The system help me to stay in front of the clients. So the client keeps seeing me and they keep coming back to me. And that is what I want you to do. You should never lose any client. You should grow your business. The client should love you and refer more clients to you. You should free yourself up so that you spend most of your time focused on building your reputation, your image, your business. Stay competitive so that you can beat anyone. The client would love to come and work with you. Those are the principles. If you keep doing that, if you can ensure all of this happening, you will be successful. Yeah, thank you. Hi, Tom.
Yeah, Tuan, where do you see the company in 3 years?
Good question. So I see that there's more and more competition out there. Margin are being squeezed. Consumer shopping around crazy. Technology is available everywhere. That allow the consumer to shop around. That allow the loan officer to spend less time working on your loan and more time on marketing. Most loan officers become more efficient, and therefore they are willing to make less per loan, but they want to grow their business. So that is the trend. And the trend is 80% of loan officers are failing. And most business go to the other 20%. So you need to become a lot better if you want to be successful. And rates are dropping. You know, big business, they have money to improve their system, their technology, their marketing, so that they can keep growing. Small business, small broker will lose it now. They cannot compete at all. What I see is competition gonna be more, it's gonna heat up for sure. At Loan Factory, we are trying to become a direct lender. So what happened is we are a platform. We build a platform to help you, give you the technology, the freedom, the flexibility, the option to shop around all the lenders and pick the lender that's best for you and your clients. We try to reduce the cost for you so that you can stay competitive. And Loan Factory is trying to become a direct lender. And our direct lender will be the best lender. We will offer the best rate and the best service, the best turn time among all lenders. In order to do that, we are building our own software. We will not using Encompass. Our software will be highly automated. That way we can close loans very fast, and we can pass on the saving to the consumer and loan officer by giving you lower rate so that you can compete. So first is become a direct lender. Secondly, we have our own software to help us become successful. And lastly, I hope in about 3 years, we can go public. Yeah, I want to be a lot bigger because as a small lender or broker, it's hard to be successful. Everything's so difficult. Thank you, Tom. Any question you ask me, I would love to share. Yeah, thank you, everyone. I love to share what I know, what I do with everyone. So I hope that, at least aware that you have to be competitive, aware that you need to grow your business. And that's what matters the most, right? And if you work with me, you know that you can always reach out to me, talk to me, and I can help you. And not only me, but the whole system, all the loan officer and the coaches can help you. So at Loan Factory, we work together. We have a community. We have a lot of different chat groups where you can interact, you can get help from. So we build a community. We work together. We help each other. Not like in many places, you are on your own. You definitely cannot be on your own. You need the support from all other people. You need to learn from other people. Nobody can be successful by yourself nowadays. The requirement is more and more. It's very demanding right now in this field, in this business. So, and things keep changing so fast. You need to learn. You need to get the support from other people. Yeah. So thank you, everyone. I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Talk to you later. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.